Hey, welcome back to Testa's Tuesday Tips. If you're reading this, it's because the sound didn't work on our last video, but we're booked in. Sycamore got a bitchin' camera for Christmas. So I'm going to go over what I did on that tip about making the old school armpits. It is really simple. All I did was, wait a second. This is how we used to do it. I just drew out the armpits and cut them out with the saw. And then I reshaped it, nice and clean. And then there you go, mounted it up. And that's how I used to put legs on them, back before legs were the thing, back in the olden days. Or some with legs on it right now. So anyway, if you ever get an old school Manikin, you want to put the legs on it, it's no big deal. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to Testa's Tuesday Tips. We'll see you next time.